Travel will be
got a high wind warning, folks. See? High wind warning.
People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees or
Do,
branches.
do, 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 do.
If possible,
Ooh.
remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution. The following reports of weather temperature and wind were made at 10 a.m. Gainesville, it was cloudy.
That was awesome.
64 degrees, dew point 62, relative humidity 93%. Wind southeast at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 18 miles an hour.
Wow.
Pressure was 30.19 inches and rising. Knoxville, it was cloudy. 73 degrees, dew point 56, relative humidity 54%. Wind south at 23 miles an hour,
Wind now.
gusting to 36 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.99 inches and rising.
Wow.